we are back today with another hair video. So this unit right here was sent to me from WowAfrican Hair. So you guys can see this nice thick adjustable strap that they actually added on this unit. A lot of their units actually come with this, and it's a real big helper when you're trying to wear a glueless unit. It does have a large comb in the back as well too, and 3 combs in the front, 2 on the side, and 1 kind of in the center right here. Now the lace on this unit did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, but I did go ahead and just take a little bit of extra hair off of this one. It does have about 4.5 inches of parting space, which is excellent, but you guys can see it both ways. They did a really good job on this one. The cap size on this one I believe is like a medium cap size, which fits in my head perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw her on. So I do have my little cap on the bottom. I do have to add some extra powder to it, but I'll do that before I put the unit on. But so far, this is what it looks like, guys. It actually lands pretty well in the ear tab area. Might have to trim it a little bit just to make sure it fits. But the hairline is very nice. Once I put my my spray on it, it'll show you guys more of the hairline itself. So that's one thing I love about WowAfrican's unit. So look at that, guys, on the side right here. The unit is about 12 inches long. Absolutely love the curl pattern. So I am gonna wet it up a little bit and style it for you guys so you guys can see how she comes out. But she is very fluffy and she's very pretty. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Let me just show you guys the parting space. Look at that parting space right there, about 4.5. I could say like 4.5 to 5 inches. I'll leave all the information down below, guys, but this is it. So I'm gonna cut the lace off and I'll be right back to show you guys how I adhere her down. She technically can be worn glueless, but I'm gonna show you guys how to finagle it. Alright, guys, so I did go ahead and put the wig down. I did have to cut the ear tabs just a little bit. It wasn't no big customization. I just kind of trimmed around the edges to make it smaller. So I did close it down on both sides like there. So I'm gonna hold these sides down just to make sure that I get this wig to adhere perfectly. So I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be Glue High Insta Hold. I already told you guys about this product. Very simple, especially if you're not trying to have the wig down for too long. This product works so good. So what I like to do is I like to spray. So the ear tab I spray direct because the ear tab takes too long to stay down. And then when it comes to this area, I like to spray above the area because the spray tends to kind of like slide down a little bit. So I like to spray above it a little bit, and then I don't even use freaking blow dry, guys. I just go ahead and put my headscarf down and that does the job. Do y'all hear NYPD right now, baby? Alright, guys, so what I'm doing right now is just moistening my hair. So I do have some regular water with argan oil mixed in it just because I wanted the hair to have a little bit of shine while it air dried. Now the back pattern curls are definitely popping. I did not pre-co-wash this hair, so this hair just came straight out the pack. But I wanted to show you guys the difference between the curls in the back and how I'm going to set the curls in the front. So I'm gonna wet it, guys. Saturate it a good amount. We got the parting space and everything perfect. So the only product that I have right now, I do not have the leave-in conditioner, so I'm just going in with the coconut curling cream from Cantu. This product works really good. I've been telling you guys about this product, so you guys know that. So I'm gonna use about this much, and I'm going to just mix it in my hand like this, and we're gonna go ahead and just, you know, kind of push that through the front and do like a little bit of a scrunch. The curls on this hair is very pretty, guys. Like, look at these freaking curls. Look at that. So the curls are popping. Right, guys, so it is the next day that I'm coming to do the finish of this unit. I did go yesterday to celebrate, you know, for graduating with one of my friends that I went to nursing school with. So just as a disclaimer, I did not put any powder on this parting space. I did absolutely nothing but just show you guys when I wet it and put the Cantu coconut curling cream in. So that is that, because I wanted to show you guys how I do the parting and all that kind of stuff, so I waited to do that. So yes, I went outside yesterday with no powder in my part. But the hair is super nice, guys, as you guys can see. So all I did was refresh the curls today again with some water, with a little bit of argan oil mixed in the water, and I did just coat it with a little bit of this again just to kind of show you guys the curls defined. So this is what it'll look like if you guys air dry it out like this, but obviously I'm gonna do like a little bit of styling with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and soften the curls out. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. I'm gonna fast forward that part because I don't need to talk through that part, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the part and stuff like that, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I lift this little headscarf off. Like I said, I did use the high hold from Got To Be Glue, and that's that. So let's roll. guys, so this is the finished look, and I want to thank WowAfrican for this unit, guys, because this unit was very simple and very bomb. Now, even when I went out yesterday and I didn't even have like the parting and everything done, I was getting so many compliments on this unit, guys. The unit is very, very pretty, and the curls are just absolutely gorgeous. Now, I did kind of show you guys a little bit, like the curls in the back definitely mimic the front ones. After you wash it, it's going to be the same exact curl pattern that you get package curled. So that's one thing about the curls I really like. Another thing I noticed about this unit, so far I have not received any shedding. Now, sometimes when you get your units straight out the pack and stuff like that, you'll see like shedding and things like that. But honestly and truly, I have not seen any shedding from this unit so far. I did go ahead and tweeze a little bit of hair out the front, so obviously a little bit of hair came out, but that's just tweezing purposes. But other than that, guys, I think they did an absolutely wonderful job with this one. You guys see I didn't really kind of go crazy doing like the baby hairs around here and stuff like that, because that part's not going to be really shown. So I did just go ahead and just do like a slight baby hair right here, just to give you like a little bit of a vibe, I guess you can say. But let me tell you guys something, the wig is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Like, look at how nice and fluffy these curls are. For me, all I do is just soften the curls out with my hands. I don't really go and do extra stuff with it, just because I still like the dry, air dried look. But all I wanted to do was just soften the curls out, so I just use my hands to do that. Shout out to Cantu for this product. This product works really well on curly hair. I'm used to using the leave-in conditioner, but you guys know I have this one too, so I just use the coconut curling cream. It does the same thing. Perfect product, guys. Definitely define the curls for me. I feel like the curls look really juicy, if you know what I mean, and all that. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I feel like the cap construction was well done. It is technically a glueless unit, guys. When I put it on my head in the beginning, you guys saw that I technically didn't have to glue this one down, but just for security purposes, because I was going out yesterday, I did go ahead and glue it down. But it's not necessary. You don't have to do it, but I did, and baby, this one came out nice. So I'm gonna leave all the information down below, guys. Make sure you catch their Black Friday sale. I'll leave all the coupon codes and everything down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.